Hello students, welcome to digital classes of MRMS Learning. This is Mahinder. Now exercise 11.3 problem number 3. Look at the question ma. If tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So here we have to find the value of angle a, okay, by using this concept. What is that ma? Tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degrees, okay, right. So given tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degrees, okay, right. Here this we can write as tan cot 90 degrees minus 2a, isn't it? This we can write as cot a minus 18 degrees, because look at here ma, did you get this or not? Right, tan 2a we can write as cot 90 minus 2a, because cot 90 degrees minus 2a we can write again tan 2a, isn't it? Is this right? Right, how much it is? So cot 90 minus theta equals to tan theta. By using this formula I have written this, okay, isn't it? Right, so this is the formula I have used here. So now in both the sides I am removing tan ma. So what becomes? 90 degrees minus 2a is equals to a minus 18 degrees, isn't it? Now bring this 18 degrees to here, this to a here, it means transpose 18 degrees LHS side, it becomes 90 degrees minus plus 18 degrees, it equals to a plus 2a, it becomes 3a equals to 108, okay. So a equals to 108 by 3, 3 ones are 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are, okay. So a value equals to 36 degrees, okay, right. What is our condition? 2a is an acute angle, so if you multiply with 2 it becomes again 72 degrees. So 72 degrees is a acute angle, isn't it? Right, condition is satisfied. This is the solution for this question, and we can solve this problem in another method. Another method means we can change this side, okay. Look at here, or tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 18 degrees, okay, right. So tan 2a is equal, this we can write as tan of 90 degrees minus a minus 18 degrees, in place of theta a minus 18 degrees here, okay. Suppose the formula is tan 90 degrees minus theta becomes cot theta, okay. Here in place of theta a minus 18 degrees is there, okay, right. So what next? Tan 2a is equals to, in both sides I am removing this tan ma, okay, I am removing this. What becomes? 2a is equals to 90 degrees minus a minus 18 degrees. So what becomes? 2a is equals to 90 degrees minus a minus into minus plus 18 degrees, isn't it? Bring this minus a to LHS side, 2a plus a, 90 degrees plus 18 degrees, 3a, it is 108 degrees, isn't it? Right, so a value is 108 by 3, 3 ones are 336. So a equals to 36 is the answer. In both the cases we have got same answer, okay, right. Now exercise 11.3 problem number 4. Look at the question. If tan a equals to cot b, where a and b are acute angles, prove that a plus b equals to 90 degrees. It means they are complementary angles, okay, right. So given tan a equals to cot b, isn't it? So now I'm going to change this. So this we can write as cot 90 minus A, isn't it? Can you write like that? Yes, because cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. So this is in the form like this. I have written this. Okay, right. So cot 90 minus A equals to cot B. Both the sides I am removing cot. So it becomes 90 minus A. Okay, is equals to B. Next, transpose this minus A to RHS side. 90 degrees is equals to A plus B, and we can write A plus B equals to 90 degrees. This is our required. Okay, so A plus B equals 90 degrees we got. This is about proof, and we can solve this as another way also. Look at here, ma. So given tan A equals to cot B. Okay, now I am going to change this cot B. So what we can write, ma? Tan A equals to, this we can write as tan 90 minus B, isn't it? So tan 90 minus theta is equals to, we can write cot theta. Okay, so by this formula I have written this. So tan A equals to tan 90 minus B. So removing tan both the sides, A equals to 90 minus B. Okay, so it becomes, ma, bring this minus B LHS side, it becomes A plus B equals to 90 degrees. This is our required answer to prove. Okay, so I have proved this. Right, this is the problem number 4. Exercise 11.3, problem number 5. Look at the question, ma. If A comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equals to cot C by 2. Okay, so we have to prove tan of A plus B by 2 is equals to cot C by 2 here by using this interior angles concept. Okay, so given A comma B and C are interior angles of triangle ABC. Okay, if these are three interior angles, what is the sum of these three angles, ma? By angle sum property of triangle. What is that property, ma? Sum of three angles, that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Okay, right. So here I am dividing both sides by 2. It means angle A plus angle B plus angle C by 2 is equals to 180 degrees by 2. What becomes, ma? So it becomes 90 degrees, and here I am going to break this. It means angle A plus angle B by 2 plus angle C by 2 equals to 90 degrees. Now transpose this angle C by 2 RHS side. What becomes, ma? Angle A plus angle B by 2 is equals to 90 degrees minus angle C by 2. Okay, now I am applying here both sides tan ratio, ma. So what is the tan ratio? Tan of angle A plus angle B by 2 is equals to tan 90 degrees minus C by 2. Okay, this is C by 2. So what becomes, ma? So tan of angle A plus angle B plus C B plus by 2 equals to tan of angle A plus angle B by 2 is equals to what becomes, ma? It becomes cot C by 2, because tan 90 degrees minus theta is equals to cot theta. By using this formula I got cot C by 2 here. Okay, this is our required to prove. Okay, right, hence proved here. Exercise 11.3, problem number 6. Look at the question. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay, this is the question. Here we have to convert these angles into another angles. They must be between 0 and 45 degrees. Okay, so we have to convert them into between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Okay, by using trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, right. So given sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Okay, right. So we are having sin 90 minus theta equals to cos theta formula, as well as cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Okay, by using these two formulas I am going to convert them. It means sin 90 degrees minus 15 degrees plus cos 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. By using these formulas I am converting like this. Okay, what it becomes, ma? It becomes cos 15 degrees plus it becomes sin 15 degrees, isn't it? Is that clear? So by using these two formulas I have transferred like this. Okay, right, ma? This is the required answer here. Okay, so it is 25 degrees, ma? Okay, so these two 15 degrees comma 25 degrees are between the 0 and 45 degrees, isn't it? Right, this is the required answer.